Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be using this dabur amla oil on my hair. So guys, this oil is good for hair growth, but the smell is so strong, like I don't even like the smell at. So the dabur amla have a very strong smell, so I will be mixing mine with other oil to kind of reduce the smell a little, not even reducing it at all, but it's going to reduce it a little. So I'll be using about 4 spoons of this dabur amla. Then I will add the rest of my other oils to it. So if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Thank you so much for coming back to watch today's video. So the next oil I will be adding is this organic by Africa Best. So this oil is so good for hair, like it can really help to moisturize. It's very good to soften your hair. It's made of clove and olive oil. So that is coconut oil. The one before is my bamboo and the aloe vera oil. Here I have my flaxseed, chia seed and quinoa oil. So I made that myself. Here I have my essential oil set. I'm going to be adding everything to kind of boost the dabur amla and also reduce the smell. Okay, if you are my to my new to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch today's video. I really do appreciate you. If you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate you as well. So guys, I've already kind of put all my ingredients together, so I'm just going to mix everything together. As you can see, I'll be transferring it inside this my empty container for easy application. So if you want, you can use this as hot oil treatment. You can just put it inside hot water and heat it up a little bit as hot oil treatment. If you want, you can also use it like this without heating it up, or just use it the way it is like this. If you don't mind the smell, you can also use it direct without mixing any other oil with it. I just want to kind of bring down the smell a little bit because the smell is so strong. So I just want to bring it down a little bit and also contribute to hair grow with other oil that I also add to it. So I just take down my braid that I use, that mega growth product that I use to braid my hair. I will leave the video at the description box below just in case you have not seen it. So I just take my braid, not even up to 5 minutes before I started making this video. As you can see how my hair still feel really soft and really moisturized. So guys, now I'm just going to go ahead to use this dabur amla plus oil that I mix with it on my hair. So it's very good to promote your hair growth. It's really a good product because amla is a very good source for our hair to grow healthy and also. So you need dabur amla oil. It strengthens your hair from within, encourage fresh growth and control premature greening. Dabur amla hair oil nourish the scalp and also strengthen the hair strength from root to tip to give you thick, long and shiny hair. So guys, they say it's really good for hair growth and it's good to strengthen your hair from the inside. I love that. Anything that can grow my hair and strengthen it from the inside. Dabur amla oil penetrates well into our scalp, nourish your scalp and hair with the power of Amla. Dabur Amla help make your hair strong and strong from the root, and also help in hair growth to give stronger, longer and thicker hair. So guys, you guys have heard it from them. They said their oil is good to grow your hair from the inside, and it is going to like grow your hair strong, long and also thicker, which everybody want. Okay, if you don't want that, that's fine. But me, I want my hair to grow strong, thicker, longer, stronger and all that. So now I'm just going to keep applying it to my hair. I don't even mind the smell again, so I will just overlook the smell and get all the benefit that this oil can give to my hair. So I will just keep on applying it to my hair. Don't go nowhere. We are going to come back. Like, also what they call it, the Africa best organic Africa best glove, and aloe vera oil, olive oil. Why am I even saying aloe vera? Guys, it's olive oil and glove. That oil is super good for hair as well. It can really moisturize, penetrate your hair and keep it moisturized. I also use it to deep condition my hair. Like, before I apply my deep conditioner, I just rub it on my hair. Then I will rub my deep conditioner on my hair. When I wash my hair, guys, my hair feels so soft. Like that product, if you have not used it like that, maybe you have it, you have not used it to deep condition your hair, you have to really try to use it that way, because it's super good for that, and it smells so amazing. The smell of that oil is super good. That is the reason why I also like it, because I love product that smells so good. And this Dabur Amla is not even close to any good smell at all. I don't know what they put inside. I don't know the perfume they use for this product that have that kind of strong smell. So I'm just struggling with this my spray bottle. I think I need a new more comfortable spray bottle, because I don't like stress. So I think I need to get a new one, because that one is just giving me so much stress. So guys, you can see my hair is really growing so fast. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. We use a lot of grease here, guys. Grease is what we grease our hair to grow our grow our hair. So guys, don't mind me. We need to joke sometimes. Too much of work and no play. I don't know what they say. So when you play, you work, everything is going to be balanced. Okay, let's work and play at the same time. So guys, this oil I'm just going to just apply all over my hair. Just keep washing and I will be right back. So guys, I'm going to leave this on my hair for overnight. Yeah, I'm going to leave it overnight to deep condition my hair throughout the night. Then in the next day I will wash it out with a very good smell shampoo, because this product still have that smell. I'm going to use a very good shampoo, conditioner, and a deep conditioner that have a very good scent, like that can remove this amla smell of my hair. So I'm going to use a very good shampoo. Then the product is really good, guys. If you use it every time, so I'm going to be using it once a week as a pre-poo oil until I finish it, because I cannot leave this oil on my hair more than overnight. Guys, please pardon the background noise, please. I'm begging you guys, forgive. So I cannot leave this oil on my hair more than a night. I cannot even use it ordinary day. I can only use it like in the evening. I wash it off in the morning because I cannot go outside. The smell is so strong. Apart from the smell, the oil is a very good oil, like it can really condition your hair and also promote hair growth. So this is my first time. I'll continue using it every week to prepare my hair till I finish it. Then maybe I will come back before I will empty the bottle, or maybe I want to use the last drop of this oil. I will come back for a proper review to tell you guys how I feel about this oil. So guys, this is my hair growing super well, all thanks to hair grease and DIY oil that I made myself. If you want to follow us on this hair growth journey, the only thing you have to do is just to click that red button that says subscribe, and also turn on the bell beside it and put it in all, so that you will get all my video notification. So guys, I've already applied. So guys, now I'm just going to massage my scalp with the oil, because they said it's good for our scalp as well. Like, can keep our scalp healthy and also promote hair growth, nourish our scalp and all that good stuff. So now I'm done. I'm just going to cover my hair with this rubber bag. I will be using 3 rubber bags to kind of trap in the heat that will encourage hair. So if you are using this product before, just leave your comment at the comment section below. Your experience, do you like the smell? Do you love using this product? Just leave your comment at the comment section below. So this is the second rubber. Now I'm going to just dye my hair very well to kind of protect my hair overnight. I'm going to be leaving this on my hair till the next day. So I really need to cover my hair very well with 3 different type with 3 plastic bag. Not different type. So 3 plastic bag will do the work for me. Then I will also cover my hair with my satin bonnet. Then I will go to sleep. The next morning I will just wash it off with a very good shampoo that have a very good smell as well. Thank you for watching today's video. I really do appreciate you all. I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye. Ciao.